Good morning students. Now class 7. Today you have to read about respiration in humans. Respiration takes place externally and internally. That is, it is both external and internal. In external, we are taking oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Now there are two processes, that is inspiration and expiration. Inspiration is also called the inhalation and expiration is also called the exhalation. Understand? Now taking in oxygen is called inspiration and giving out carbon dioxide is called expiration or exhalation. Now internal respiration, that is decomposition of glucose into carbon dioxide, water and energy in presence of oxygen. When we take oxygen, then it goes into our windpipe and then it enters into our lungs, where bronchi is present and air enters into bronchi and then bronchi is attached with air sacs, then oxygen is filled up in air sacs. Air sacs is surrounded by blood vessels, where blood vessels take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Then this carbon dioxide is returned back into our nostrils and coming out. Now in respiration there are two organs which helps it, that is diaphragm and muscles of rib cage. When muscles of rib cage is contracted, then it lifts the ribs upward and outward. Then it lowering the diaphragm. Now at this time chest is expanded, that is inspiration takes place. Now when diaphragm is up in the direction and muscles are in a relaxed, then lungs is contracted, then air pressure inside the lungs is greater than the outside, then there is exhalation takes place, that is carbon dioxide is given out. Now the rib cage and diaphragm both helps the respiration process. You know that diaphragm is a muscular part, is the muscular organ which separates the chest cavity from abdominal cavity. Now breathing rate, the number of times breathe in 1 minute is called breathing rate. One breath means what? One inhalation and one exhalation. Breathing rate is higher in a smaller organism or a smaller animal or in baby, while breathing rate is lower in bigger animals and in adult. In adult it is 12 to 20 times, while in a baby there is 40 times. That is 40 times breathing rate, and a rat contains 60 times and a horse contains 12 times. Now it is the breathing rate. Understand? Okay.